Hello and welcome to Passing It On. In today's episode, I'd like to show you how to cook a green bean curry. So for a green bean curry, the ingredients are quite simple. I have a chopped onion, half a chopped tomato, a teaspoon of masala, and a clove of garlic that I've chopped up. You don't need to add garlic, it's just something that I prefer. And some green beans that has been sliced. So let's get cooking. Okay, so we're going to take off the ends, snap that and that. Sometimes you get a little string coming out, that's fine. Alright, you need a sharp knife. Along the spine of the green bean, you're going to slice. Hold it against your thumb and your forefinger and slice. I don't think there's an easier way to do this on the board. You're just going to get used to this. After a while, it's gonna be a breeze. I have no idea how our great grandparents came up with this idea, but it's brilliant and it has worked over the years and nobody has changed it since. So we're going to continue slicing through. You'll see it's so thin and it cooks through. So it's a brilliant idea that they came up with, and it has remained with us. Another one along the spine, slice through, and there you have it. You have all these thin slices of beans that will cook nicely. Okay, and so now I'm going to show you how to braise that. So I've added enough oil just to coat the bottom of the pan. I've put in a piece of onion to see that the oil is ready, and we'll start. Add your onion, piece of garlic, tomato, and masala. Give that a swirl. Then we're going to add the green beans. I'm going to drop the heat, and that's going to cook on low. No need to add water now. Bring that together nicely. We're going to close the pot and allow that to cook for a few minutes. Let me check the curry after 5 minutes. See that it's nicely come together. The tomato is melting, which gives off some of the moisture and allows that to cook. I'm going to add some salt to taste. And now we can add a little bit of water. And then we're going to cover it and allow it to cook for a further 5 to 7 minutes. We'll check the curry again. You'll see that the water is dried up nicely and the oil has come up, which means that it is ready to be plated. And that's our simple green bean curry. I hope you enjoy.